If you are seeing the verification required message on the App Store when trying to download apps, follow these steps to fix it. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you're gonna find the Apple ID. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Payment and Delivery. Once you're on this page, check your payment method, check your payment details and also the billing address. Ensure all the details are valid and correct. Once you check that, you can head back. Now navigate to the option Subscriptions. Check for active subscriptions that require a payment method or cancel any unwanted subscriptions. Then you can head back. Now you can sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. This might also fix your issue. Next, restart and update iOS. Restart your iPhone and check if the issue is fixed. If not, update to the latest iOS version. For that, you can head over to the settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this way you are able to fix verification required on App Store on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.